A customer just brought in his Galaxy A53 with a screen that's totally shattered, courtesy of his playful and apparently very strong dog. You know we love a good challenge, so today we're taking on this broken beauty to bring it back to life. From carefully removing shards to restoring that perfect smooth display, we'll take you through every step of the repair process. Stay tuned to see this phone's epic transformation and get ready for the big screen reveal at the end.